Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022, Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, good evening. This is Venkat. We are from First Energy Private Limited. We are from Pune. It's a Thermax group company. So the exhibition is a good event for showcasing our renewable energy solutions. So we do solar projects and hybrid solutions, and also the battery-based solutions, BESS projects, to cater to the industrial and commercial customers. I think the event is a good one. It's a mixture of regional players, and also the corporates came from various parts of India. We could able to showcase our solutions to the best extent, and good response received from the event on various models. I think wishing the show a success. We'll look forward to participating in the next event. Yeah, thanks a lot. All the best for the organization. I think they have done a tremendous job. Thank you.